Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to log into our GFH employee account. So let's get started. So to log into your GFH employee account, which is Glens Hospital employee account, what you can do is just simply open up your browser. After opening up your browser, in search bar you can search for GFH employee login. After searching for GFH employee login, now what you can do is just simply tap on this first option which says employee and physical portal. So after tapping on that option, you'll come up to this page, and from here what you can do is just simply tap on this first option which says employee login. So after tapping on that option, now you'll come up to this page, and from here what you can do is just simply enter your username. And after tapping on that option, you will come up to this page, and from here what you can do is just simply enter your username, password and mobile pass. After entering your details, now what you can do is just simply tap on login, and after tapping on login, you'll successfully log into your account. So that's it guys, this is how to log into your Glens Hospital employee account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.